this is a very informative for the student concern. See, the present scenario and the older scenario, of course the informations are there, but the advancement is not there. Therefore, see, every time the changes are happening, it may be in respect of an academic, it may be in respect of a procedure, it may be in respect of an expectation. So therefore, the older days was not much of an advancement. So at the present level, we don't have much of an advancement in respect of the procedure, rules, regulations. Take for example today's concept of Cyberlaw. The people have only a common information, they know it, but the practical implication is not much of. So therefore, if they would have know the much in the Sharik level of this, how it is function, it will be well benefited. So therefore, we have to mold the students in all the aspects, practical aspects, advanced aspects, and in academic aspects.